Okay guys, what is up? This is Black Steel in the house with a unboxing. So I'm gonna open this box, guys, show you what goodies are inside. And before I do that, guys, you know I got a big secret. It's free to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below for me, guys, and hit the notification bell right next to it for when I go live and when I do videos. And guys, if you like the video, if you like the content on this channel, give it a big thumbs up. Okay, let's jump right into it. Before I go to the unboxing, I want to show you this. This is my proof set from the Apollo 11. It's the whole proof set. Still got the cotton in there. It's the $half and the half coin. The receipt is in there and everything. And I bought this first day release because I get notifications to my cell phone from the Mint. So this is a Mint mistake on the packaging. As you can see, the reverse designer engraver, we all know it should be Frank Gasparo, and it's not. So that is a Mint mistake. And this was a first day issue. The receipt is inside of here somewhere, if I can get it out. But I just wanted to show you guys I do have an original with the Mint mistake. So let's get right to this box. Love my Apollo 11 set. To the box. Yes, guys, this is what I thought it was. This is my wooden case. Remove the my personal information. This is my wooden case. Holds the 50 coin certified, no matter if it's PCGS or NGC. It holds both slabs up to 50. It's like a wooden oak wood case, I think. Well, we'll take it out and see. Also, guys, I got Dansko albums. I don't know if the light is bright enough, but I have them. I have 770 and whatever other ones you need. So just let me know. I got them. Stay tuned. And also, the 7070s is the United States type set. Stay tuned. So, guys, check this out. Look at that wood grain. Like oak. Check the inside of this baby out. And let's get it open. It sings, guys. It sings to me. Check it out. The gold magnets. Like clamp it closed. Keeps it closed. Real tight. Ooh, it's velvet in the inside. Wow. This thing is beautiful. My fresh pack. Look at that. Gold wood. Suede. This bad boy is the bomb. Now let's load it up. First coin to get in there. 1883 PCGS MS64. No sense. Look at that bad boy. I might send this back to get regraded. That is a beautiful no cent. Let's try that out. Whew. Fits like a dream. Actually, I'll put that back here. Now I'm going to load up my 2018 reverse proof set in here. So stay tuned. Okay, down to my 2018 American Innovations dollar. This might be a giveaway, guys, one day. You never know. That goes there. What's next? My 1909 MS64 red brown. Put that in the back. What's next? This is the last year of the Lincoln Memorial to the Proof 69. I just like stuff like that. That's how I collect. I like to collect first and last of everything. That's the first year of the Shield scent. So, put that there. I also got my reverse proof in 70 grade, top dog, right there. First time a nickel was in reverse proof. And I got the last year of the Eagleback Washington quarter, proof 70, max grade. It's the last year, 1998, because in 1999, that's when they came out with the state quarter program. So I like stuff like this, that first and last, never know what that's going to be one day. It's at a proof 70. That thing can touch a pretty decent penny. It's like a lottery ticket. Okay, now let's go to my NGC holders. This is my 1996. My 1996 Roosevelt West Point dime. There we go. MS67. Stick it on that side. Oh, it fits like a gem. Now let's get to my last but not least Bugs Variety NGC. Slide it in there. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Let's see how it closes. Those are golden magnet snaps. Ooh. Can't even open it if I tried. Oh, awesome. Guys, thanks for joining me for this beautiful, beautiful unboxing. And get a video a big thumbs up, guys, if you enjoy it. Appreciate you guys. See you soon. Black Steel checking out. Have a blessed one.